What is a pharmacist? From the word itself, a pharmacist is a person who is professionally qualified to prepare and dispense medicinal drugs. What does a pharmacist do? Pharmacists are responsible for the quality of medicine supplied to patients, ensuring that the supply of medicines is within the law, ensuring that the medicines prescribed to patients are suitable, advising patients about medicines including how to take them, what reactions may occur, and answering patients' questions. Pharmacists also supervise the medicine supply chain and ensure pharmacy premises and systems are fit for purpose. Advise other healthcare professionals about safe and effective medicines use and safe and secure supply of medicines. Respond to patient symptoms and advise on medicines for sale in pharmacies. Provide services to patients such as smoking cessation, blood pressure measurement, and cholesterol management. They also supervise the production and preparation of medicines and assessments of quality of medicines before they are supplied to patients from pharmaceutical manufacturers. Where do pharmacists work? Pharmacists work in many different work environments. These include community pharmacies, sometimes called as retail or high street pharmacy, and hospitals. Most pharmacists work in community and hospital pharmacy, pharmaceutical production or sales in the pharmaceutical industry, prisons, primary care organizations, universities in teaching and research, the military, veterinary pharmacy, and pharmacy organizations. Pharmacist registration. A person calling themselves a pharmacist must be registered with the GPHC. GPHC stands for General Pharmaceutical Council. You can search our register to see that a pharmacist is practicing legally and if they have any fitness to practice allegations against them. For more information about the process a pharmacist must go through to become and stay registering as a pharmacist.
Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect or any other medicine or vaccine-related problem. Pharmacovigilance plays an important role in ensuring patients' drug safety and providing high-quality medical care, and it is an essential tool for effective use of drug therapy. Pharmacovigilance is recognized as clinical discipline and service as an indicator for practicing clinical care within the country. For a medicine or a vaccine is given approval by the FDA, the safety and efficacy of medicines are clinically proven through rigorous research with the aid of people who volunteer to take part of the clinical trials. However, the process of clinical trials involves a relatively small numbers of volunteers for a short period of time. Other side effects, including rare side effects, are detected only when medicine is used by a large population with other concurrent diseases and over a longer period of time. Pharmacovigilance plays an important role in making sure the medicines and vaccines we are using continuously providing benefits rather than the risk of having side effects. No medicine or vaccines are proven 100% safe or no side effects at all. That is why it is important that the side effects experienced or identified are reported and evaluated. This is gonna help us understand that the problem and communicate effectively to prevent unnecessary harm. Everyone has a role to play to make our vaccines and medicines safe and effective for use.
First and foremost, patients are encouraged to report the side effects that they experience from the use of medicine. Second, healthcare workers, including doctors, nurses, and pharmacists, are also encouraged to report the side effects that they encounter and those that are shared or reported by their patients. And lastly, market authorization holders or pharmaceutical companies who hold approval to market vaccines or medicinal products are mandated or obliged to monitor and report the side effects on the use of their products to the FDA or Food and Drug Administration. The goal of good pharmaceutical practices for pharmaceutical companies is to prevent harm to humans caused by adverse drug reactions from approved pharmaceutical drugs.
So Pharmacovigilance is important because pharmacovigilance is central to drug safety, and PV analysis conducted in phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 clinical trials give drug companies data on the safety profile of a drug. And this profile can be used for further R&D if necessary, and can be submitted as well to regulatory authorities to allow new markets to be assessed.
Both PV practices in clinical research and those done through medical professionals and consumers offer valuable insights into the safety profile of pharmaceutical medications. When a new adverse reaction is identified, the list of side effects on the label must be updated. At times, PV data can lead to the removal of drug from the market due to dangerous side effects.
Good evening, Miss Rose Ann. We're from College of Allied Health Pharmacy Department of National University. I am Rostine Apostol, and here are my group mates that will ask you questions. Miss Eliza General, Miss Erica Ermina, and Miss Joy Bungay. Miss Rose Ann is a senior safety reporter coordinator, PPD, part of Thermo Fisher Scientific. Today we'll be asking Miss Rose Ann questions so that we can learn about her and her occupation as a pharmacovigilance. Miss Rose Ann, was pharmacy your first choice in choosing your course?
Okay, so sige, first and foremost, gusto ko hindi ko kamustahin muna. I know this is quite a formal interview, but I think you can cut it na lang. Because I want to really have, some catch up with you as well. Siyempre, para naman, I can build rapport with you so that yung conversation natin, not really that formal. Parang yes, you'll be asking me question, I'll be answering it. So, kung ako sa inyo, dapat nag-dinner na kayo bago niyo ako pinatanawagan. Magla-lecture tayo dito 2 oras lang naman. Kapag joke lang. Ayan, so, first and foremost, thank you for having me. I already asked Gia, sabi ko kasi the first time that I received the message, it was in a message request. So, I'm not really pretty sure kung paano niyo ako nakilala or how did you come up with me inviting us and the person you will interview for the pharmacovigilance na experience. So, I asked Miss Gia about it, and I think, Rustin, you're one of her students. Tama ba?
EU pa.
Ayan. So CEU. And actually, when I mentioned it to Miss Gia, she was very proud and happy that you've continued sa pharmacy profession. So thank you guys, Miss Joy, Miss Erica, and Miss Alisa, for continuing it sa pharmacy profession. Ayan, sige. So, for the first question, was pharmacy my first choice? Actually, it's not. Ayan, I think Miss President already heard about this kung isa ako sa mga na-invite ni Miss Gia. So, pharmacy was never my first choice kasi ang nasa utak ko talaga back then is gusto ko lang mag-med. Gusto ko lang mag-doctor. So, my top 4 universities is UST, UP, Ateneo, and LaSalle. And lahat ng course na kinuha ko doon is not related to pharmacy. It's all like biochemistry. How I end up in the pharmacy profession. Sabi lang kasi dati sa akin, sobrang frustrated na ako. So, sabi sa akin noon, sabi ko noon pala sa CEO Makati, ano yung course na dito na parang maganda. So, ang yabang pa rin. Parang namimili ng damit. Ano magandang course dito? Ganyan. Tapos sabi nila, sige, medtech, pharmacy. So, pharmacy, anong ginagawa sa pharmacy? Nagme-memorize sa akin ako. Sige, walang computation, pwede na yan. Tapos sinabihan ako, may board exam. May board exam! Nagsaka ko na yung problemahin kapag nandun na ako, ang kailangan ko munang gawin, pakatapos ako ng pag-aaral. So, ganun ko siya iniisip. And then, of course, along the way, since it's a 4-year course, I enjoyed it. And looking back to where I am right now, parang speaking in front of you guys, na-realize ko na may purpose pala. May purpose pala why I am in the pharmacy profession na never in my wildest dreams that I will be sitting here na interviewin niyo ako na how did I come to the pharmacy and any experience ko with the pharmacy profession. So, ayun siya. I hope it made sense. And of course, since this is an interview and I know you're the one asking, but I would want to ask also, why did you end up choosing pharmacy? Kasi may K-12 na, parang, you have immersion, diba? Kung ano yung courses that you are capable of getting with the science or STEM strands. Why? I'll just ask the question with you. So back to you guys. Bakit? I mean, just an overview why. Why did you choose pharmacy as well? So, I think you can start, Miss Rostine, and then we can, sabay, one after another na lang.
Sige pa. Ako po kasi, nung grade 12, parang wala pong medtech po talaga yung gusto ko.
Tapos, yun po yung gusto kong pre-med kasi katulad yung po gusto ko rin po mag-doktor. Tapos, pag-check ko po sa parang available po na parang, ano ba yun, specialization po sa CEU is wala na pong medtech. So, pharmacy na lang po yung nandun at saka dent. Tapos, yung isa po hindi ko po alam eh. Tapos, opta. Sabi ko, magpa-pharmacy na lang ako. Tapos, pag dating ko po doon, tapos nakita ko po yung kay Ma'am Gia, ganun yung ginagawa po. Tapos natuturo niya po. Tsaka yung mga seminar po din sa inyo. Ganun po, sabi ko, ay, pwede ko pala siya ituloy. Pwede ko siyang maging, parang, yun na lang yung ite-take ko sa college. Tapos, nasayangan din po ako sa mga natutunan ko. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman siya magagamit kung hindi po ako magpa-pharmacy. So, tinuloy ko na lang din po.
Alright, that's great to hear that. Thank you, Miss Justin. So, how about the others? Who would want to go next? So, nakakahiyalili lang tayo dito, guys. Hindi ako nangangakin ng tao. Chika minute talaga to. So, bahala na kung paano magiging presentation dito sa klase ninyo. Okay, Miss Joy, nag-gray shadow na yan. So, you can go next.
So, yun po. Before po, honestly, torn between po ako psychology and pharmacy. Pero at the end po, parang na-feel ko po na dito po ako meant to be sa pharmacy. So, I ended up taking po itong course.
Alright, so sana all diba meant to be? Okay. Joke lang, guys. Okay, who would want to go next?
So, as for me naman po, hindi po talaga pharmacy yung first choice ko, which is architecture po talaga. Then, ayun po, naisipan ko na lang din po na i-take na lang din yung pharmacy because po sa business namin na may pharmacy din po kami. Kaya, yun din po yung ko. Naging way para mag-take ng pharmacy.
I see. Tapos sabi ko, parang feeling ko nasa butika siya. Tapos sabi ko, parang may gamot sa likod. So, syempre, I don't want to conclude. Pero, alright. For last but not the least, Miss Erica.
Same po kay Miss Joy, psychology din po yung first choice ko. Pero po, nung tinignan ko po kasi parang hindi po, yung psychology po, nasa side po ng College of Arts and Science. So parang hindi po siya, compared po sa pharmacy, hindi po siya pang pre-med talaga. Kasi po yung pharmacy sa College of Allied Health po talaga siya naka-side. So pharmacy na lang po pinili ko.
Okay. So, thank you, Miss Erica. I think lahat yung first year pa lang, no? Tama ba? Ayan. Sige, ma-realize nyo, ay, parang nagsisisi ako. Joke lang. Nagsisisi ako ng pharma ko. Alam gawin. Joke lang. Hindi natakot. But yeah, hearing from that, diba, we have different reasons why we chose pharmacy. And I think there's no right and wrong answer to that. One day, if you really chose to pursue the pharmacy profession, na kahit minsan ang vague no reason natin, parang gusto ko lang matapos, gusto ko lang na ganito. One day, it all makes sense. So, ayan. I guess we can continue with the interview questions na. Baka mahirapan kayo mag-cut ng mga part ng videos ng recording ninyo.
Next po is, what school did you attended?
Okay, so I graduated from Central Escolar University, Makati campus.
So, for the next question po, we would like to know po, how did you become a pharmacovigilance?
Okay. So, actually, pharmacovigilance is my third job. Ayan, how did I come up with it or how did I decide it? So, to be honest, ang previous work ko is a community pharmacist and a pharmacy trainer. But then, syempre, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao that I would always want to seek growth. Like, kapag alam ko na hindi na ako nag-grow sa isang profession, I would really like to have new challenges. So, syempre, pagdating naman sa community pharmacy, you interact mostly with people, ganyan. And kung naging pharmacy trainer din naman ako with the same company, din naman siya, parang I interact mostly naman with pharmacy professionals. So, sabi ko, I think it's time. It's time for me to go out of my comfort zone para naman ma-experience ko din yung ibang branch ng pharmacy profession. So, why pharmacovigilance? To be frank with you, actually, si pharmacovigilance kasi yung profession during the pandemic na very in demand. Hindi lang in demand, siya din kasi yung profession that is a very timely. Kasi naman siya, as all of us are aware, yung ating COVID vaccines are under clinical trial pa din. And kung nadaanan niyo yung ibig sabihin ng pharmacovigilance natin, so just to give an overview meaning of it by WHO, so relating to the very hot issue about the COVID vaccine. So, pharmacovigilance technically is defined by WHO as the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects of any other medicines or vaccines-related problem. So, pag binabasa natin siya, di ba, parang hirap niya i-comprehend. And ngayon ko lang siya naintindihan kung kailan ako nag-work sa pharmacovigilance na very important siya kasi, yung mga adverse effects ng mga gamot natin, most especially to the COVID vaccines right now, is very detrimental pagdating sa health ng mga tao natin. So medyo nalay na ako sa how did I go to the pharmacovigilance or paano ako nag-lean towards that. So first is that it is in demand, most especially during the pandemic. And second is that I wanted to grow more and learn more about the pharmacy profession and leaning outside naman ako when it comes to the community and pharmacy professional na interaction.
Okay po, thank you po. So, for the next po, gano'n na po kayo katagal as a pharmacovigilance and how has it been for you?
Okay, so I've been working I don't think sige, balik ko siguro sabihin. I've been working with PD, part of Thermo Fisher Scientific, for almost 2 years now. And how has it been? So, siya? I mean, I think work-wise, variable naman siya. Sometimes, ganun naman pag-work, nagiging routine na siya. But what made me stay and what made me look na lang is that even if we are doing things back and in the pharmacovigilance, kahit hindi yan na-appreciate ng tao, kasi hindi ka naman nakikipag-interact sa patients, di ba? You're working like, you're working in the office, ganyan. But we are thinking na yung contribution namin, yung work na ginagawa namin in the pharmacovigilance department helps save a life. Paano ko yun nasabi? Kasi syempre, di ba, we do reporting. In the pharmacovigilance, ako kasi actually doon may kita na ang laki ng pharmacovigilance kasi we do reporting. May mga tao na naka-deploy para sila yung kukuha or sila yung mag-interview, stuff like that. So, in our end, kami nagre-report ng adverse effect. So, very important siya kasi kapag hindi mo na i-report yung adverse effect ng isang gamot, it will not kailangan kasi ma-alert doon yung countries and yung people na kasama sa study kasi it will help save a life of those kind of people na kasama din doon sa clinical trials or sa study drug. So, ganun siya important na hindi man namin nakikita sa office work namin yung impact niya. But on the field, doon siya nag-create na impact kasi iniiwasan natin na mangyari ulit siya doon sa ibang tao. Kasi doon nakadepende kung itutuloy natin yung study ng isang drug. And just to be, just to share with you about that. So, I'm currently part of a study na magko-close na siya. Magko-close siya hindi dahil wala silang budget. Magko-close sila kasi yung expected effect ng drug is not working the way they expected it to be. So, they have to stop the study. Kasi it will never be beneficial for the people around them or for the people that is enrolled to that study. So, ganun siya.
So, for the next question po, can you tell us about the time that you were under a lot of pressure? How do you handle it po?
Okay, sige. I guess in life naman, hindi tayo nauubusin ng pressure, diba? So, if it's work-related, you just really have to know how to compartmentalize stuff. You just have to know which one is to prioritize. Kasi actually, we do that. That happens to us most of the time. Most especially, itong mga season na to, dagsaan yan ng cases pagdating sa reporting. Kasi patapos na yung taon and marami tayong holidays. So there will be days talaga that we have to really work under pressure kasi we have a lot of deadlines. So, on top of the task that I have, may mga kailangan pa akong, we have a lot of cases needed to be sent out today. So, I have to jump into the QC for that study kahit meron pa ako ibang study. So, yun nga, how do I handle pressure? I try to really just know, hindi ako magpapakain sa emotions ko. So, I will feel the pressure, of course, but I have to deal it with myself na ano yung kailangan mong unahin. So, hindi mo kailangan tapusin lahat today. Ano yung kailangan matapos mo ngayon? Ano yung important na matapos mo? And then I have to stick with that. And of course, after syempre, doing the things that I have to do, I always give myself a reward. So, I don't think na, sa akin, importante siya. Syempre, you put a lot yourself in so much stress. Diba? So, pag napunta ako sa ganung situation, I always say to myself na, okay, pag natapos ko to, I will reward myself to something. It's just like, as simple as buying a coffee, kasi may ako magkape, ganyan, or just, watching a K-drama. So, ganun siya for me. If I will be under a lot of stress and pressure, I make sure that I treat myself a little better after that. Ayan siya.
For the next question naman po is, being a pharmacovigilance pharmacist, what you really wanted to be, and what made you stay po in the field of pharmacovigilance? Like, yung edges and opportunities in becoming a pharmacovigilance, bakit po kayo nag-stay sa pagiging ganun po?
Okay. Pwede ba maging very honest with this interview? Ayan. So, actually, there is no what we call the pharmacovigilance pharmacist. Kasi nabasa ko ito sa interview question. Pharmacovigilance is not very strict when it comes to their qualifications sa profession. As long as ang edge kasi natin is like we're pharmacists, pero they also get from other allied sciences. So, open naman sila doon. Hindi sila naka-impose sa pharmacist. So, ang edge lang natin is pharmacist is we are aware of how adverse event works. Ganyan. Siyempre, yung medicine, aware din tayo somehow. Pero kasi pag sa pharmacovigilance, minsan, may category yan na post-marketed drug. So, post-marketed, ibig sabihin, nasa market na siya. And we're just, continually studying. At meron naman yung mga drugs na bagong ginagawa, diba? Tapos, syempre, bago naman natin ilabas yun, it has to go under clinical trial as well. So, hindi ganun ka-strict ang pharmacovigilance when it comes to your qualifications. Kasi pwede nga kahit anong related science courses. But yun nga, ang edge natin is we know drugs, diba? And we have an overview of some diseases. Kasi minsan, mababasa mo naman yun na, okay, this drug is for this kind of disease. So, hindi ka blinded na walang-wala ka lang. So, yun yung edge natin on that. So, yung ibang profession, allied medical professions, may edge din sila sa part ng yun. Kasi usually, I think we have nurses din as well working in the pharmacovigilance team. So, what made me stay is that medyo competitive ang pharmacovigilance when it comes to compensation compared to other fields in the pharmacy practice. As far as I can compare it to the previous experiences that I have. So, I guess some will agree talaga na medyo dun siya sa part na yun, mas mataas. Experience-wise, okay naman siya when you really like writing kasi may part dyan na when you like writing about the case, kailangan magaling ka rin atang sumulat for that. So, hindi kasi yung part ng work namin. And, ayun, marami kang matututunan kapag gusto mo talaga mag-grow. Kasi sa amin, yun lang maganda sa company namin that when you wanted to grow in the pharmacovigilance department, they have a lot of positions open. So, kunwari, for my position right now, gusto ko siyang mag-level up ng konti. Like, I wanted to become a specialist. Ganyan. So, pwede naman siya. So, what made me stay is that it has a competitive benefits and perks. And most especially, it has a lot of room for growth. And, of course, third is that I'm very curious din talaga na tao. Like, I really wanted to know ano ba talaga ibig sabihin ng pharmacovigilance outside the definition na nababasa natin na okay, detection ng ganito, ganyan. Ayan. And fourth is that, yun na, doon ko lang na-realize that what I am doing creates an impact to the lives of other people. It could create and destroy a life. So, syempre, it can save a life kasi yung drug na nire-report natin or i-study natin, pwedeng effective siya and it can kill or destroy a life kasi nga, pag hindi naman natin siya nire-report, ganyan, diba? Pwede nating ma-miss yung adverse effect na yun. And imbis na maligtas natin siya by stopping the usage of that clinical trial na drug, diba? Hindi natin siya na-stop. So, yun siya for me.
Next question po is, what do you want to say or what do you have to say to the pharmacy student who want to pursue the pharmacovigilance practice? And what are the pros and cons of it?
Okay. So, kaya nga kanina tinanong ko din kayo, diba? Why did you choose a pharmacy profession? Ganyan. Kasi, dun yung unang tatanungin eh. When paglabas nyo, pag-graduate nyo, pagkapasa nyo ng board, what is next for me? Parang, saan ko ba gusto? So, like, ako, like Miss Rosten, you wanted to become a doctor, diba? So, if the direction ka, sige, go for that. For other, Miss Alisa, si Erica, si Joy. So, Erica, Joy, I think originally you wanted psychology, right? And parang yung pharmacy profession, second choice ako. It's okay. And Miss Alisa, kasi they have pharmacy. Ayan. So, working in the pharmacovigilance is nice kasi sa akin na ko lang siya, nag-base ko lang siya kasi we have the choice to permanently work from home. So, if you have a pharmacy drugstore like Miss Alisa, you can use your license and be there and working at the same time. Syempre, double ng kita, ganyan. So, of course, ayoko naman sabi, paglabas interview na to, ay, doon ako kasi madaming pera. Pero, maraming pera. May pera. Pero, I wanted also to give you a light na pharmacovigilance is something that you would want to consider if you really would like to work under clinical researches. Kasi may ganun din naman siyang branch. If you're interested on how things work, if you're interested in doing office work, yan, pharmacovigilance naman siya. Medyo, ang pharmacovigilance lang talaga is high on pressure siya. Hindi lang sa office namin, hindi lang sa So, I have a lot of colleagues from other pharmacovigilance na company na medyo high in pressure siya. But if you would want to really experience a corporate job, pharmacovigilance is something that you would want to consider. It's yung iba naman, like they wanted to work in the community, they wanted to work in the hospital, there's nothing wrong with that. Depending on sa purpose niyo why you choose pharmacy. But if you would want to seek growth in the corporate world, ayan. So, pharmacovigilance is something that you can consider. And ayun nga, if you have a business na hindi nyo na parang, you are needed to be there as well, kung inyo naman siya, you can also have pharmacovigilance then to be part of it. And thirdly, of course, we should always point it to not only to ourselves, diba? But i-consider din natin kung ano yung contribute natin dun sa mga patients natin or sa tao around us. Hindi man natin makita agad yung result, diba? As healthcare professionals, but we also play an important part in the pharmacovigilance area. Na parang hindi man natin nakikitang gumagaling yung isang tao, natin pag pumunta yan sa butika, ay, ano na lang na-recommend mo kasi gumaling ako, diba? So, ganun siya, nakikita natin yung yung effect niya agad. Pero hindi natin yung makikita sa pharmacovigilance. Pero alam nyo, kapag kunwari, you become part of it, and nag-release yung isang company na you are working with, na isang gamot, na okay, ito yung gamot natin na under clinical trial na proven na nakakagamot, for example, ng cancer, ganyan. So, parang, you will take pride on it also, na ang daming masisave na buhay because you took part na dun sa study na yun. Hindi man 100% yung role mo doon, but you matter to that kind of service to the other people. Kasi imagine, one drug lang, di ba, COVID vaccine lang na na-expedite natin yung kanyang paggamit, diba? Ang daming tao na yung na-save. Kasi kung wala pa din tayong vaccine for COVID-19, I don't think magre-reopen tayo slowly. And of course, syempre, maraming pros and cons and babagsak pa economy and stuff like that. So pros and cons, working in the pharmacovigilance setup. Again, I cannot highlight this enough. It has, a better perks and compensation. Ayan siya. So, second is that, if you, nabanggit ko kanina, if you would want to seek growth in the corporate world, na gusto mo pharmacy, line pa din naman with pharmacy, you can go to that. Ayun, third,